Hey guys, Max Convexity here. Let's check out today's big day for these Defiance funds. We'll start with IWMY yet. I've already done their options for tomorrow, so for some reason they came out with the exact same number 2 days in a row. But anyway, today they won 809,000. Tomorrow they're trying to win 809,000. They sold the 2025 put for $13.30. So the difference is 2011.70. So that's the break-even number for tomorrow. Max profit is 2025. If they achieve max profit or above, they'll make 809,000. That'll take the earnings per share down to a negative 46 cents a share. Right now it's negative 59 cents a share. The estimate on the earnings, or the estimate for the dividends, around $1.34. It paid $1.29 last month, so that's hanging in there pretty steady. Look at JEPY. These guys made nearly $700,000 today. That's a great day for these guys, and it took their profit positive for the first time in a while on the month. They're positive 1 cent a share. Now for tomorrow, these guys have sold 260 contracts at the 5,100 strike price. They received $22.11. The difference between $22.11 and $5,100 is $5,077.89. So that's the break-even number. We need to at least close at $50,77.89 to avoid from losing any money. If they can make a profit, or especially if they can make a max profit, they'll earn $574,000 on the day, which would take their earnings per share to 9 cents on the month. Now here's the really crazy one. Check this out. So QQQY, this is today's trade. They sold the 17,570 strike for $180, and they covered it for zero. It expired worthless. That's a $2.9 million winner. A full basis point capture. I mean, that's gigantic. 18 cents per share. I mean, that's massive. These guys killed it. Absolutely killed it today. Anyway, they'll be back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow, they're selling 162 contracts at the 18,070 level for 107.33. So you take the difference between 107.33 and 1870, and you get 17,962.67. The reason that matters is because that number, the 17,962.67, is the break-even amount. So we want to, at least that's the number we want to root for. We want the NDX to close above that number tomorrow, preferably right around 1870. If it did close at 1870, they would make 1.7 million, which would be pretty good after making 2.9 today. That'd be a heck of a 2-day streak. It's a Friday. We're bullish. It's a bullish market on a Friday. They'll probably, my bet's for a higher close. I bet we'll close the week on the highs. When you're in a bull market, like I've said a jillion times before, you close days and weeks on or close to the highs. That's the way it works. The opposite works when you're in a bear market. 2022, we closed a lot of days and a lot of weeks on the lows or close to the lows. That's just the nature of the way markets work. All right, you guys have a wonderful evening. And there's no nighttime report tonight because I've already given you guys the positions for tomorrow. I've even got that. Here's the profit boxes if you want to check them out. There's the profit box for SPX. Here's the profit box for Russell. Here's the profit box for NASDAQ. All right, we could check in on futures real quick. I mean, here's NASDAQ futures. It's only been reopened for 24 minutes. That's one disadvantage of doing these shows so early in the night. The futures really doesn't matter much. Futures market reopens at 5 o'clock p.m. Central Time. So they've been open 24 minutes. But in the short time they're open, they're all flat. Russell's up a basis point. NASDAQ's down 0.3 of a basis point. Or 3/100ths of a basis point. I mean, that's ES. NASDAQ's actually down 11/100ths of a percent, not of a basis point. All right, guys. You guys have a great evening, and I will speak with you in the morning around 8:30 or 9, and we'll see how we're doing. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.